This is Normo here, and I am back with another money making video. Guys, before I start the video today, I have something to say. Guys, I have noticed that 71.4% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So if you are a viewer and you're watching this video now, guys, I'd advise for you to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more ways to make money on your phone very easily at home. So guys, if you want to earn extra income just by using your phone, subscribe to the channel. It would really help out the channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, today we'll be reviewing another money making app called Road Points. This app is an app in which you complete simple tasks and then convert the points that you will receive from doing these tasks into various rewards such as gift cards and also PayPal cash. So guys, let's get into the app. So guys, as you can see, we are now into the app. At the top right hand corner, you can see that my balance is 1,230 points, and that when I reach the minimum amount to cash out, I will cash out this amount of points into the rewards. So guys, at the screen you can see the extra tab where it has $500 PayPal giveaway winner, it has lucky spin, it has referrals, and it also has redeem. But before I get into this page, I want to show you the earn points section, because this is the section in which you would complete tasks to earn points and then convert those points into PayPal cash and other gift cards. So guys, the tasks that you can complete are install apps to earn points, finish tasks to earn points, and you also have offer walls. Another way to earn points is through referrals. Guys, I will be leaving my referral link in the description so that you can get 1,000 point bonus at sign up. So yes guys, this is the install apps to earn points section. Another section is by doing surveys. As you can see, these are the available surveys at the moment to complete, and I had started both of them and I have not finished. But by the time I finish these two surveys, I will be rewarded with 340 points and also 320 points. Another way to earn points is through signing up. You can sign up and complete tasks on these different things, and then you would earn the allotted amount of points. So as you can see, the top one, earn cash by playing games, and by doing that you will earn 960 points. Another way to earn, which is one of the easiest but not the easiest, is by watching. It is very easy to earn points, but it does not come with a lot of points. When you watch a single video, you will only earn 1 point. So guys, and it's not very passive. So guys, I would not really advise this section to you, but if you want, you can do it. So guys, let's go back up. And this, as I said before, this is the extra section in which you can do extra things and then you will be rewarded with certain points. So guys, this was a promotion that recently happened, and it's a $500 PayPal giveaway, and it's now finished. But as you can see, this is the winner of the $500 PayPal giveaway, and you too can be a winner of the $500 PayPal giveaway. All you have to do is just complete what the instruction says, and you will be qualified to be the winner of $500 PayPal cash. Simple as that. Another way to earn extra points is through lucky spin. As you can see, there are different sections on the spinning circle, As you can see, you can be rewarded with 10 points. You can also miss. That means that if the arrow lands on that section, you do not receive any reward for that spin. You can also earn 2 spin, extra spin, 1 spin, and also 1 point. And if you run out of spin, you can spin for 100 points, or you can just watch video and earn a free spin. The easiest way that I would advise to you guys is to earn on this app through referrals. You can invite your friends through Facebook, Twitter, and even email. Or you could just use your unique URL and paste it on different websites, and when someone clicks on that, they will receive a 1,000-point bonus from your referral link. And guys, last but not least, I will be showing you the redeem section. As you can see, currently my credit is 1,230 points. App you see country and it says worldwide, so this app is available worldwide. But not all the rewards are available worldwide. All things that are available worldwide are PayPal credit and $25 PayPal. But you do not have to use that, because I am not in the US and I convert my points a lot of time in gift cards in USA, such as Amazon gift cards and also eBay gift cards. So yes guys, you can still cash out these gift cards even if you're not in the US. So guys, if you want to cash out for PayPal credit, you need minimum 10,000 points and you will get $10 PayPal cash very easily. So guys, we have a video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. And if you want to learn how to make money and earn extra income by just using your phone, you need to take action. You need to take action if you want to make an extra income and be able to buy your favorite things in the summer. So guys, as I said before, subscribe if you want to learn this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Guys, I forgot to tell you, if you want to earn a quick 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1, use my invitation code, which is DLGK7, for an extra 1,000 points to get you started with making money on this app.